You tell him. Sully does not like the woodpecker. A noisy bugger. What's he doing? Is he bothering you? This is a dog who doesn't normally bother with birds, chickens, ducks. But that noisy woodpecker. Where is he? Is he up there? I can't see. Oh, there he goes. Sullivan. Where'd he go? You tell him. You don't even know where he went now. Where is he? Tell him. Let's go get him. Tell him. No, you don't want him to get your marrow bone, huh? Is that it? What are you going to do with it? You don't know? You want to just sit down next to it, make sure no one gets it? I do, Mama. Yeah, you tell that woodpecker, huh? You tell Woody the woodpecker to stay away. He's noisy. Trying to enjoy the sunshine and he's out here making all that racket. You let me know if he comes back, Sullivan. Okay? Your bone's good right there.